Gusto mo ba malaman kung paano ka magkaroon ng iPhone 16 ng libre? Yes, you heard me right. Libre lang ito. Pero, meron siyang task na gagawin. Actually guys, yung Atomic Card, okay, meron silang promo ngayon from October 1, nag-start na hanggang December 31, okay? So, now, ano yung Atomic Card? So, actually guys, once nag-apply ka dito at natanggap yung application mo, okay, pwede mo itong gamitin pangbayad, okay, ng mga shopping mo online, pambili ng mga appliances, mga gadgets, cellphone, and the best part, zero interest siya before na due date, okay? Tapos, pwede mong bayaran for installment kagad 3 to 6 months, okay? Now, the question is, paano ka magkaroon ng iPhone 16? Actually, meron ka lang gawin na very simple task lang, okay?